Hello there, glad you're here to learn more about Surface, the only laptop that is designed and built by Microsoft. While you're here, we'll take a few minutes to explore what makes Surface amazing, from design to flexibility and personalization for endless possibilities. Because whether you want a more traditional laptop or a more flexible laptop, there is the Surface device for you. Think about all of the places you find yourself working or creating. Do you move throughout your home, office, or even travel often? The Surface Pro 9 is the ultimate in flexibility. The built-in kickstand can adjust to your perfect angle. Whether you're working from the couch, a desk, or on the move, your Surface is designed to adapt to you. Click on the keyboard, add accessories, and adjust the kickstand for your perfect setup. Did you know that you can navigate precisely using touch? And you can pair the Surface Pro 9 with the Surface Slim Pen 2 for a natural pen-on-paper experience thanks to tiny vibrations inside the motor that give you natural feedback as you write. Oh, and don't worry about leaning onto the screen. A feature called Palm Lock knows the difference between a resting hand and the Surface Pen, perfect for those accidental screen touches. The Surface Slim Pen 2 is the best performing pen yet, with real-time pinpoint accuracy and incredible shading thanks to a sharper pen tip and improved design. You can take notes and have the feeling of writing and drawing on paper right from your Surface. Color is a great way to personalize your Surface. Express yourself in natural, uplifting colors that you like best and mix and match your favorites through the range of accessories for your ultimate setup. When it comes to making a Surface device, materials are chosen for both high quality and for sustainability. Take the Surface Laptop 5 for example, a sleek chassis built from premium materials that allows you to choose a keyboard finish of cool metal or soft, durable, carbon neutral Alcantara fabric. Surface keyboards are designed to give you the most comfortable typing experience. Microsoft designs the keyboards across all devices so they intentionally feel really precise and responsive. Typing is so personal that we always recommend testing it out if you're able to make it into a store. Every Surface device has been purposefully designed and built by Microsoft to make sure that every customer has the best possible experience on a PC. Lastly, let me tell you that Surface will keep up with you all day long and cheer you on in your most productive moments. You can just unplug and go. Surface gives you battery life for real life. Sure, you can pack your charger just in case, but it always just stays in my bag since the device lasts throughout my day. Move around freely during video calls and stay clearly in view thanks to enhanced camera features like automatic framing. Voice focus removes background noise so you can always come through clearly. Whether someone has a hairdryer on in the next room or the dog realizes that it's dinner time, other people on the call won't be distracted. Make your online meetings feel like in-person conversations. Enhanced eye contact helps intelligently adjust your gaze on video calls so you appear to be looking directly into the camera. Every device is built to be secure and simple to use straight out of the box. Surface is optimized for a seamless Windows experience as the trusted hardware and software are both designed by Microsoft, making it more streamlined to run as Surface doesn't require any bulky bloatware that uses up previous disk space. Unlock your Surface in seconds with Windows Hello. You can also create multiple user profiles so each member of your household can log in securely and get access to their own files. With Surface and Microsoft 365, we've got your back. With OneDrive Cloud Storage. Save, share, and edit your files, photos, and videos from anywhere securely. So there you have it. Whether you need a device to be light enough to grab and go, sketch out your next great idea, take a video call at the office, or get some gaming done before bed, Surface is built for everything you do, anywhere you do it.